Meet Amazon Astro, your new robot companion that's here to make life smarter, safer, and a whole lot cooler. This cutting-edge home assistant combines security, convenience, and a touch of personality in one incredible device. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Let's get started. Astro is packed with features designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. It works as a home monitoring robot, keeping an eye on things when you're not around with its built-in camera and Ring Protect integration. Need to check on something remotely? The Astro lets you stream live video directly to your phone. But that's not all. It can also help you around the house, like carrying small items or delivering things from one room to another. Imagine saying, "Astro, take this to the living room," and it actually does it. Thinking of getting your own Astro? Check out the affiliate link in the description below to grab one today and support this channel. It's more than just a robot. It's your smart home companion. With Alexa built in, Astro can control your smart devices, play your favorite playlists, or even keep track of your shopping lists. Plus, its personality adds a bit of fun to your daily routine. So whether you're looking for enhanced home security, a futuristic helper, or just something that makes your life a little easier, Amazon Astro is an incredible addition to any tech lover's home. Ready to bring home Amazon Astro? Click the affiliate link below to learn more and make your purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing tech reviews. Thanks for watching.